Valenzuela. So you must try it because it has whey protein. It has yogurt, which is good probiotics. And most importantly, it has zero sugar. Grabe guys, napaka-healthy na. Walang sugar. And it has added collagen para sa mga gustong gumanda ang skin, you know. It has also 32 grams of protein. Grabe. Para sa mga gusto mag-workout, pwede nyo itong inumin before you go to gym. It has 200 calories, so mababa lang, hindi siya nakakataba. So really good for your health. And aside from that, it tastes so good. So creamy. So come and visit their shop here at Pond Hall sa Valenzuela. So malapit lang siya. So being a health conscious person, this is really good for me. So please try it guys. And alam ko, magugustuhan niyo siya. Masarap na, healthy pa. So good, so yodel.